Welcome to CarCraze, where today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated vehicles of the coming years, the 2025 Tarta Punch. Tarta Motors, known for its innovative approach and commitment to quality, has set the stage for a new era in compact SUVs with the Punch. In this video, we'll explore every detail about this exciting new release, from its design and features to its performance and technology. So, buckle up and let's get started. The 2025 Tarta Punch is poised to redefine the compact SUV segment, combining Tarta's heritage of reliability with cutting-edge technology and contemporary design. As we delve into this vehicle, it's important to appreciate how Tarta Motors has crafted the Punch to meet the evolving needs of modern drivers. Starting with the exterior design, the 2025 Tarta Punch is expected to feature a bold and dynamic look. Tarta's design language has evolved over the years, and the Punch continues this trend with a modern, aggressive stance. The front fascia will likely be dominated by a sleek, high-mounted grille, flanked by slim, LED headlamps that give the Punch a sharp and contemporary appearance. The bumper is expected to be robust, with large air intakes and rugged skid plate, emphasizing the vehicle's SUV credentials. The side profile of the Punch will showcase its compact yet muscular build. With its prominent wheel arches and a strong character line running from the front to the rear, the Punch is designed to exude confidence on the road. Expect to see a set of bold alloy wheels that enhance the overall stance of the vehicle. The rear design will feature a distinctive tailgate with a high-mounted LED tail lamp setup, adding to the Punch's modern and sporty look. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2025 Tarta Punch is where Tarta Motors has put a lot of thought into balancing functionality with style. The interior is likely to offer a spacious and comfortable environment, thanks to its well-designed ergonomics and thoughtful layout. High-quality materials will be used throughout the cabin, giving it a premium feel that matches the Punch's exterior appeal. The dashboard will feature a user-friendly layout with a large touchscreen infotainment system positioned centrally. This system is expected to support various connectivity options, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring that drivers have seamless access to their favorite apps and navigation tools. Below the touchscreen, there will likely be physical controls for climate and audio functions, offering a balance between modern technology and traditional ease of use. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Tarta Punch will be its advanced driver assistance systems. Tarta Motors is known for equipping their vehicles with a comprehensive suite of safety features, and the Punch will continue this trend. Expect to see features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies will enhance both the safety and convenience of driving the Punch. Under the hood, the 2025 Tarta Punch is expected to offer a range of powertrains to cater to different driving needs. Tarta Motors might offer both petrol and diesel engine options, with a focus on delivering a balance of performance and efficiency. The engines will likely be mated to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, ensuring a pleasant driving experience whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The ride and handling of the Punch are also anticipated to be top-notch. With its advanced suspension system and well-tuned chassis, the Punch will offer a comfortable ride while maintaining agile handling. This balance will make it an excellent choice for both urban commuting and weekend adventures. In terms of fuel efficiency, Tarta Motors is likely to equip the Punch with technologies aimed at optimizing mileage. Expect to see features such as start-stop technology and efficient engine management systems that help in achieving impressive fuel economy figures. The 2025 Tarta Punch will also emphasize convenience and practicality. Features such as keyless entry, push-button start, and a power-adjustable driver's seat will enhance the overall driving experience. The rear seats will offer ample space, making it a suitable option for families or groups. Additionally, the Punch is expected to come with a versatile cargo area that can easily accommodate luggage or other items, adding to its practicality. As we look at the market positioning of the 2025 Tarta Punch, It's clear that Tata Motors aims to make this compact SUV an attractive proposition for a wide range of buyers. With its competitive pricing, the Punch is expected to offer exceptional value for money. Tata Motors' reputation for delivering reliable and well-engineered vehicles will further bolster the Punch's appeal. In terms of competition, the Punch will be entering a crowded market segment with several strong contenders. However, Tata's emphasis on design, technology, and safety features will help the Punch stand out. The combination of these elements is likely to make it a popular choice among buyers looking for a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on quality or features. Looking ahead, the 2025 Tarta Punch is set to be a significant player in the compact SUV segment. Tata Motors' commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction is evident in the Punch, and it's poised to attract a diverse range of buyers. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a stylish and practical vehicle or an adventure enthusiast seeking a reliable companion, the Punch is designed to meet those needs and more. In conclusion, the 2025 Tarta Punch represents a bold step forward for Tata Motors in the compact SUV market. With its striking design, advanced features, and well-rounded performance, the Punch is set to make a strong impression. Tata Motors has clearly put a lot of effort into creating a vehicle that delivers on all fronts, and the Punch is a testament to their dedication to excellence. Thank you for joining us on this detailed look at the 2025 Tarta Punch. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news and reviews, be sure to subscribe to CarCraze and hit the notification bell. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned.